In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube thumbnails on Visme. By the end, you'll have a clean, eye-catching thumbnail that's ready to download and use on your channel. First, inside Visme, use the search bar to look for YouTube thumbnail. This instantly sets you up with the right dimensions, so you don't have to worry about sizing. Typing those exact words will surface a gallery of ready-made designs created specifically to look great on YouTube, even on small screens. Next, select the template you want. As you browse, focus on layouts with a bold headline and a clear focal point. If your channel leans minimalist, choose something with lots of breathing room. If it's high energy, pick a design with strong color and contrast. Don't overthink it. Choose a starting point that feels close to your brand. You can change every element in a moment. Now, edit the text, images, and colors to make your thumbnail stand out. Replace the placeholder headline with a short, punchy phrase. 4 to 6 words is ideal. Increase the font size so it's readable at a glance, and use a high-contrast combination like light text on a dark background. For images, upload a crisp photo or select one from the library. Position faces or key objects off-center for visual interest, and use cropping to eliminate distractions. If your background is busy, add a subtle blur or dark overlay so the text pops. Adjust colors with your brand palette, or use the color picker to create a strong contrast between background and text. A thin outline or soft shadow on text can improve readability without looking heavy. Keep alignment tight and consistent. Use the guides to keep everything balanced. Then, add icons, shapes, or graphics from the Assets panel. Open Assets, search for a relevant icon, and drop it in to reinforce your topic. Use simple, recognizable icons and keep the style consistent, either all outline or all filled. Add a rectangle or rounded shape behind your headline, reduce the opacity slightly, and you'll instantly improve contrast. Arrange elements forward or backward to layer them neatly, and limit yourself to 1 or 2 accent graphics so the design stays clean. When you're happy with the design, click Download. Choose PNG for a crisp image at the standard 1280 by 720 size. Keep the background opaque and export at full quality. After downloading, zoom out to thumbnail size on your screen to confirm everything reads clearly. That's it. Search, select, customize, enhance with assets, and download. You're ready to publish with a thumbnail that gets the click.